Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to download TikTok videos without watermark. So let's head over to our TikTok application. Head over to any TikTok video. Suppose I'm on this one. So if I want to download it without a watermark, there are two policies. The first one is you can just open up or start your screen recorder of your phone itself, and then you may be able to just take the screen record of the TikTok video. And then there's another way, that is tap on the share icon on the bottom right, and in here you will find the option of copying the link. So tap on more, and here copy the link, and once you have copied, just get out of your TikTok application and head over to your browser, and here you have to search for download TikTok video. And once you just search for it, you'll find several options of websites from where you can just download any TikTok video without watermark. So I'm heading over to this one, and here you have to paste the link you have copied. So tap on it and tap on download, and it may take a while to just make the video downloadable. So yeah, just wait for that file and you'll be able to just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.